Hey everyone, wait a second, only wait a second. Okay, so first let me ask from you, like, are you struggling while speaking in English? Do you really struggle while speaking in English? So hello everyone, my name is Sonia Singh and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, and recently I have done my graduation and now I'm doing my master from English literature. Okay, so yes, if you are struggling while speaking in English, so this video is especially for you. And what are you searching here and there? All answer will get here. Okay, so watch this video till the end and definitely your all concept will be clear here. Okay, my friends, carefully in this video what I'm going to tell you. Listen, habit. Yes, you heard right. Habit. If you make superior habit to learn something new, then definitely you can learn all things. Okay, can be anything. I'm not telling like it's only English. If you make superior habit for learning English language, then you can learn. No, whatever you want to learn, whatever you develop skills, whatever skills you want to develop, you can do. Okay, it just depend on you that how much you do practice every day, how you follow that things. Okay, so first, my friends, habit. Make superior habit. Superior habit, like we can say, if you wanna become fluent in English, so make first of all habit to read book. Okay, first of all, read book every day, at least 1-2 page you can read. Okay, and if I talk about my, like, when I was in my journey, so yes, I used to forget all words as well. Okay, so it's a normal, and don't think more about this, like I forget words, and I'm not able to remember words like for a long time, or when I wanna speak in English, then my mind goes blank and I couldn't speak in English, and I fumble while speaking English language and all that. Okay, so there are many stage from the stage we have had to face. Okay, but yes, initially when you start learning something new, then only initially we find it's so difficult, but when you follow with consistency, then gradually you learn. Okay, so it's all normal things. But if you are thinking like, I'm not able to do this and I can't do this, so I'll not start learning. No, my friends, no. Here you are thinking just wrong. Okay, whether we talk about learning, whether we talk about anything, reading, listening and speaking, so all things we have to learn. But my friends, those things I have, our surroundings, we don't feel like it's easy or difficult, because those things I have surroundings, then we can learn efficiently. But those things we don't have our surrounding, we can't learn easily and efficiently. Okay, so that's why we feel initially like it's difficult or easy. And nothing, just I would like to tell you, if you are learning English language and if you want to start your journey learning English language, so start from today and don't wait the perfect time, because the perfect time never comes. Okay, so start your English with broken English. Okay, so yes, my friends, and make habit to read book, make habit to listening English podcast video, and make habit to speaking practice every day. You can practice alone also, and you can practice if you have any partner, with them you can practice. Okay, you can practice in front of mirror. Okay, so this call is mirror technique. So there are many ways to learn English language, there are many ways to become fluent in English. It just you have to apply on you. Okay, so yes my friend, that's the thing I wanted to share with you in this video, कि अगर आप कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं तो ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना ट्राई करते हैं उसको सीखने में. ओके, एंड दूसरों को मत देखो कि वो बोल लेते हैं एंड मैं क्यों नहीं बोल पाता, मैं क्यों नहीं बोल पाती, सो उन्होंने कैसे सीख लिया, मैं शायद नहीं कर सकता. नो, आप भी कर सकते हैं, कोई भी कर सकता है, चाहे वो इंग्लिश सीखना हो या फिर कोई और अदर लैंग्वेज सीखना हो या फिर कोई अदर स्किल डेवलप करना हो. यू कैन डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, फॉलो विथ कंसिस्टेंसी एंड डू विथ कंसिस्टेंसी, एंड डोंट लर्न डूइंग प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग. Okay, whatever you are doing, follow with consistency and learn with consistency. Okay, so yes, all things learn simultaneously, but yes, don't think like only in one day all thing is possible. No, not at all. Whatever you want to learn, one day definitely you will learn. Okay, so yes, learn with consistency, definitely you will get success one day. So yes, if my video helps you to improve your English, so first I would like to tell you, if you are watching this video first time here, so please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And yes, we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.